So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about Saka coin, its price prediction 2025 and its major central exchange listing because friends this is very old meme coin, very best meme coin, super low cap meme coin but it's still not listed on any major central exchange. And I recently buy this meme coin for short term and also for long term here. I will also show you my holdings here. So videos be very special, very important just for the company here. I'm actually like video and subscribe the channel. So France, the Saga coin current price $0.0084. They dropped almost 10% here. In last 1 year, this meme coin price is not pump here. You can see jump by almost 70% here. In last 14 days, jump by 53%. In last 7 days, jump by 27% here. But because right now entire crypto market is pumping here, AI category meme coins and all other category meme coins are pumping here. So right now it's also possible that we can see this old meme coin to skyrocket here, and we can see its market from just $8 million to maybe in short term up to 50 to 80 million dollars here. Okay, current market is $8.4 million. That's super low cap meme coin. $262,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. So trading volume is, we can say, good because still this meme coin is not listed on major central exchanges. 1 billion supply all in circulation. You can see friends, 1 billion coin supply all in circulation. And Ethereum ecosystem meme coin friends, you can see Ethereum ecosystem meme coin we're 94% down the all time high. Okay, 94% down. So if it's possible that we can see its new all time high, then that will be I think 20 to 25x from here. So you can imagine that how much profit this meme coin can give us if this meme coin can make new all time high. Okay, and it's also possible that we can see its new all time high definitely because entire crypto market is going upward now. We are only 100% up. Okay, only 100% up this all time low that was 3 months ago. So in this year recently this meme coin has made its all-time low. So now it's also possible that we can see this meme coin to go upward and give us new all-time high, and we can earn massive profit here. And friends, these are central exchanges where this listed. Okay, MEXC, Get.io, CoinX, and BitGet, Polnix. So I think only 5 central exchanges have list this coin, but still there's no Bybit, KuCoin, Binance yet. So lots of central exchange listing is still left for this meme coin. So when it be listed on all other major central exchanges, then definitely we can see this meme coin to the moon, no doubt, because very old meme coin. I can see friends nearly 15,000 holders for this meme coin. Okay, soon we complete 50,000 holders here. On market is also same, and these are the top holder of this meme coin. You can see friends. Okay, number one holders, MEX exchange where 7.1% of supply, Uniswap holding 5% of supply, BitGet holding 2% of supply, and all other wallets okay holding less than 1% of supply. So this is good. CoinX and different central exchanges holding this coin. So friends, no doubt there's no any value issue, and I think maybe it's possible that we can see this meme coin in short term up to 50 to 80 million dollars market, and in long term definitely in billion dollars. I can see friends, I'm holding 3500 Saga coin on MEX exchange. You can see I recently buy this meme coin for short term also. You can see I think on 25th November I buy this meme coin. Okay, for short term about I think $25. But before that I'm already holding this meme coin for long term that I buy I think for $10 here. You can see, and in short term my target is at least 5x or maybe 8 to 10x here, and in long term I'm expecting that we can earn at least 100 to maybe 500x profit from this meme coin. Okay, in short term I think if this meme coin can just kill 10 and reach 0.08 dollars, then I will sell out my short term coins. But in long term I think definitely this meme coin has potential to make new all time high that could be 0.18 dollars. But after 8 to 12 months from now in next year mega bull, we can see its new all-time high also, and maybe that could be up to $1 here, and we can earn more than 100x profit here or maybe 500x here, because you can see friends right now this meme coin has only $8 million markets. Okay, super low cap meme coin, but for a meme coin reaching $1 billion market is a very simple thing. It's also possible that in coming days or in coming months we can see massive trend in this meme coin, because since last 1 year its performance is not good, but because this meme coin is in crypto market since more than 2 years, so it's also possible that we can see its trading volume to be increased here, and this meme coin can trend on CoinCo, coin market. Then new investor came in this meme coin, and we can see short-term market up to 50 to maybe $80 million, and in long term definitely this meme coin has also potential to be the next maybe 100x to 500x potential meme coin. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.